Understand pension scheme basics. Pension is defined as the amount of money received by a retired employee. Pension can be seen as the replacement of the salary once you are no longer working. Payment scheme basics must be understood in order to be fully prepared before your retirement day comes. Typically, this pension money is received monthly. The superannuation scheme or amount of pension depends on the years of service, the position held in the company and other benefits from the company. There are two known types of retirement plans. Defined benefit plan. This plan promises that the employee will receive a defined monthly income for life once the retirement age is reached. The yearly contributions or the pension charges that will provide for the promised monthly pension depends on a variety of factors, such as the amount of pension money that will be received upon retirement, the years left before one reaches the retirement age, the length of time the employee will receive the benefits, and lastly, the amount of income that can be earned through yearly contributions. There are three subcategories under the defined benefit plan. The first is the fixed benefit plan, which considers the monthly benefit as a fixed percentage of the employee's salary. It is computed by taking the average annual compensation of the employee for a certain number of years prior to the retirement. The amount is then multiplied by the fixed percentage. The next category is known as the flat benefit plan, wherein the monthly money scheme that the employee will receive is expressed as a fixed amount. The final category is the unit benefit plan. For this, the monthly benefit the employee will receive is determined using a pension unit. This pension unit is a percentage of the employee's compensation or a defined amount of money. Defined contribution plan. This type of retirement plan has a defined amount of contribution. However, the total amount that will be distributed upon retirement is unknown and will depend upon the yearly contributions and the performance of investment. In other words, the contribution is known but the benefit is unknown until it is computed. The pension value here is determined in accordance with the employee's asset build-up during the years contributed. It is important to know at least the basics of the pension scheme. It is better to be prepared for the future, rather than face it empty-handed. It is also good to know the different retirement plans that are available to you so that you can see which plan will benefit you the most in the future. To read more about pension scheme basics and other topics regarding pension, you can visit the website pensionconsultant.com. Some of the topics that you will be able to read here include basic retirement plans, pension plan guides and more. Although the guides on the website are made for employers, reading them can also benefit employees. If you have questions and concerns regarding pension plans, you can fill out their pension plan questionnaire and they will give you assistance.